Hi, my name is Janae, and this is my recorded EL strategy for the lesson on La Princesa and the Pea. The central focus of this lesson is to help students, as well as any emerging bilinguals, identify the key topics within the story La Princesa and the Pea. For example, the character setting, middle, beginning, and end. This will help students with their verbal and communication skills through interactions with peers, as well as their ability to understand key ideas and details. The Common Core state standard is reading and listening. For kindergarten, it's with prompting and support, identify characters, setting, and major events in a story. The California English Language Development Standard is for ELD, Part 1, Kindergarten for Emerging Bilinguals. It's evaluating language choices. Describe the language that an author uses to present an idea. I have, for example, the words, phrases used when a character is introduced, and prompting and substantial support. Alrighty, everyone, if you could come to the carpet, we're going to go ahead and start our reading time. So just take your carpet spots. Today we are going to be doing a story, and in our story we're going to be doing what is called a high five tell. So can everyone put their high fives in there? Go ahead and put your high five in there. So for this, what we're going to do is I'm going to read a story to you. And while we're reading this story, I want you to think about a couple of things. We're going to think about, for one, we're going to use our thumb to help us remember our characters. So who is in the story? Is it a dog? Is it a person? Is it a little girl? We want to think who's our characters. And then we're going to use our index finger, the one that we use when we point when we're reading. And we're going to think about the settings. So where is the story taking place? Where are they at? Are they at the beach? Are they in a house? Are they at the zoo? We want to think of the setting. And then we're going to, with our remaining fingers, our middle finger is going to tell us what happened in the beginning of the story, what happened in the middle of the story, and our pinky is going to tell us what happened at the end. So that's what our high five is going to be about. It's going to be our characters, setting, beginning, meaning, and end. Okay. Our story today is La Princesa and the Pea. So I'm going to go ahead and click the story, and when I click the story, you can listen along. So here we go. La Princesa and the Pea by Susan Middleton Aya, illustrated by Juana Martinez Snail. There once was a prince who wanted a wife, but not any niña would do in his life. His madre was picky, she hoped for perfection. The prince was so lonely, in need of affection. The prince said come in, but his mother, La Reina, decided to test her. Would this girl be buena? Mama sneaked away to the royal jardín and found a small pea that was fit for a queen. She guarded the pea pod and took to the stair. If this girl was worthy, she'll feel that it's in there. She placed El Guisante in the bed for their guest. She yelled, Vente, mattress's lofty request. The queen settled in with her box of bonbons, while lots of strong workers came in with colchones. Uno was suave, dos was pequeño, tres was muy grande, cuatro un sueño. Several were pinstriped, some made of fleece, others were dotted or checkered or grease. The queen ate her treats, the bed was stacked high, and right when finished, La Niña came by. Here is your cama, a place you can sleep. Thanks, said the girl, I won't even count sheep. I like her, Mama, he said with a lit. We'll see, said the queen as she fluffed up his quilt. The girl stretched her brazos and yawned with her boca, but the bed felt so lumpy, like there was a roca. The little guisante was 20 times deep. Could it be the reason the girl got no sleep? She trudged down to breakfast, her ojos so droopy. And how was your slumber? La Reina was snoopy. Great, said the girl, if you like a hard and lumpy. Oh, pobrecita, the prince said, you're grumpy. Their guest brightened up as she noticed the lad. Really, she murmured, it wasn't that bad. Ay, thought La Reina. How'll she detect it? Is she a real princess? I think I suspect it. She signaled her son that the girl had passed the test. Drat, she had managed to starve off the rest. The prince soon proposed with a golden anillo. They married that week in the royal castillo. The queen kept her promise and threw a big boda. The bride wore a wedding gown, stylish de moda. Accepto, accepto, they both said I do, and still to this day the queen has no clue. The prince had put pitchforks and stones in la cama to help his true love pass the test of Queen Mama. The prince and his bride had hijos galore, and one for each mattress, and then had no more. So did anybody like that story? Do you want to go ahead and you can share something that you liked? You like the cat, you like the pictures of the cat. You wish you had that many beds. That's all great things. Okay, so now we're gonna remember use our 5-finger retell, and we are going to share the 5 parts of the story. So remember, we're doing the characters, the setting, the beginning, middle, and end. Okay, so can someone tell me who characters were? You can go ahead and take a couple seconds and think in your head, but let's think of the characters. Who were they? And do we remember their names? You can tell me one. We had La Princesa, yes. What's another character that was there? The Queen. Yeah, the Queen. Does anyone remember what else they called the Queen? La Reina, yes, okay. And who else was in the story? The Prince. The Prince was there. And was that it? We got the cat, and the cat was in the story too. He was in a lot of the photos, huh? A lot of the illustrations. So we got our characters. Who's in the setting? Where was the story taking place? Was it at like the beach? Was it at the zoo? Who knows where the story was taking place? Yes? The castle. The castle, yes. Okay, and can we go ahead and raise our hand and tell me if you know one thing that happened in the beginning? What happened in the beginning? The prince wanted to get married. Yeah. His mom was picky. Yeah. Okay, perfect. What about what happened in the middle of the story? So we knew that the prince wanted to get married. His mom was picky and there was a princess. So what happened in the middle? His mom was going to test her, huh? She was going to test her to see if she was a real princess yet. And what about the end? What happened at the end? At the end, she ended up passing the test, huh? She didn't feel the pee. And then the prince had helped her. He had helped her. Perfect. So we have that here. The characters were the princess, the prince, and the queen. It was at a castle. The prince wanted a wife, but his mom was picky. The princess slept on the bed with the pea to try to pass the test. And then the princess passed the test and they got married. Perfect. So now that we did that all together, what I want you guys to do is we're going to find one partner and we're going to tell them the characters in the story. So I have our hand up here in case we forget. But I want you to go ahead and tell your carpet partner. Go find your carpet partner and I want you to tell them the characters in the story. So let's go ahead. Let's go find them and then I'll be around while you guys are finding your partners. Perfect. Okay, can I have someone from one of the groups tell me, what did you tell your partner? Who were the characters in the story? Yeah, you can tell me. Yep, they were the princess, prince, and the queen. Perfect. Okay, now our next step is I want you to go and find your center partner. Go ahead and find your center partner. And I want you to tell them where was the setting of the story? Where did it take place? Go ahead and find your center partner and go ahead and tell them what was the setting of the story. Can one of the groups tell me what was the setting of the story? It was a castle. It was a castle. Perfect. The last thing we're going to do is I want you to go ahead and find your library partner and I want you to tell them one thing that happened in the story. So you can pick something from the beginning, the middle, or the end, and I want you to tell them one thing that happened in the story. Go ahead and find your library partner and tell them one thing that happened in the story. Alrighty, can someone tell me from one of the groups, what thing did you tell your partner that happened in the story? You told them how the queen put the pea in the bed and then she put all the beds. That's perfect. Perfect. Alrighty, so did everyone enjoy that story? Do we think we know now a certain way we can help find some of the key details in stories? We can use our thumb to help us remember characters, our index to help us remember settings, beginning, middle, end. And if you ever forget, you can always find a partner, and maybe if you forgot, your partner remembered, and your partner can tell you, and then that can help you remember as well, right? Okay, perfect. Thank you.